Why true false is capitalized in Python? All members are camel case, right? Why true false but not true false, which is more relaxed?
From Pep 285. Should the constants be called true and false, similar to none, or true and false, as in C++, Java and C99? Equals true and false. Most reviewers agree that consistency within Python is more important than consistency with other languages. This, as Andrew points out, is probably because most built-in constants are capitalized.
Here's a possible explanation. I see that naming conventions are such that classes usually get named camel case. So why are the built-in types named all lowercase, like list, dict, set, bool, etc.? Because most of them originally were types and factory functions, not classes, and a naming convention is not a strong reason to make backwards incompatible changes. A different example, the new built-in type set is based on, although are not exactly equal to, the set class from the sets module.
All of Python's built-in constants are capitalized or upper camel case.
Videos optional. Please consider liking and subscribing.